Welcome to our journey through the compelling visions of Zechariah, chapters 5 to 8. Imagine ancient visions unfolding, with themes that transcend time. Intrigued? Let's dive right in.
Zechariah, a prophet during the rebuilding of Jerusalem, shares vivid images that extend beyond the immediate restoration of the temple.
Chapter 5 kicks off with a flying scroll, an enormous symbol of judgment flying through the skies. This is the curse that goes out over the face of the whole land. Zechariah chapter 5 verse 3.
It's a cosmic sweep against dishonesty and theft, almost like a divine drone overseeing justice. The chapter quickly shifts gears to a curious vision of a woman in a basket, called wickedness, Zechariah 5:8.
The basket is sealed and carried away, suggesting the removal of sin, a symbolic cleansing that's both captivating and mysterious.
As the visions unfold in chapter 6, we encounter 4 chariots marching in breathtaking harmony.
These chariots, set free from mountains of brass, symbolize the spirit of heaven patrolling the earth, signifying divine control over the unseen realms. Moving on, Zechariah 7 hits a reflective note. Here, the people question whether they should continue fasting now that the exile is ending. Instead, the Lord redirects them to what truly matters: acts of justice, kindness, and mercy, echoing Zechariah 7:9, administer true justice, show mercy and compassion to one another. The spotlight is on inner transformation, not ritualistic observance. Sounds like a potent message for today, right? Finally, in chapter 8, we glimpse a hopeful future. It's a symphony of restoration and joy, where old men and old women shall again sit in the streets of Jerusalem. Zechariah chapter 8 verse 4. It's not just wishful thinking, it's a divine promise of peace and prosperity, assuring that I will return to Zion and dwell in the midst of Jerusalem. Zechariah 8.3. In these chapters, Zechariah unfolds a vivid tapestry of judgment and mercy, cleansing and hope, urging us to consider the weight of justice and the promise of a renewed future. These ancient visions resonate with eternal truths. Curious for more? Stay with us as we explore deeper into these timeless messages.